Good about this. Thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast yet again, San Jose, California. So we're just trying out this new mic that I have. You guys can see that it's connected right over here, but I still have the microphone on my digital recorder. So you know, comparing it might be a little bit different. So we'll just see how the new microphone performs. So let's go ahead and get going. I just did a motovlog, or no, I just did a vlog with the microphone kind of stationed, you know, not riding, but based off of, you know, some of my experience with other microphones. That might change once you get on the bike. I had a Sony microphone and I was getting some crazy feedback in my recording. It was just clicking and clacking. I don't know what it is. I don't think it was a interference. I just don't know what it is. But for some reason, the microphone at about 50 miles per hour, it was just not useful. I mean, you couldn't use it because the interference was really bad. It was, like I mentioned, it was clicking and clacking. And I have motovlogs where I'm on the highway freeway and I try to avoid those roads. So I mean, I believe that's the reason why I typically stick with roads. I have a little bit of highway footage, but like I said, because of the wind and because of the interference, I typically don't do motovlogs on the highway freeway. I stick to I stick to the back roads and then try to see how the motovlog performs. But anyways, this is of course the new microphone that I just picked up versus the Her2Wheels. I've been using the Her2Wheels microphone for a good part of 2 years, and I have most of my helmets that I motovlog with. I say all of my motovlogging helmets have that microphone, that Her2Wheels. I really like the way it sounds, the quality. I've been trying a different amount of options out there. I even got these other ones that were complete dog shit, and it just didn't work out. So now I'm trying out this other one. We'll see how this new microphone performs, and then you guys could probably even share it in the comments, see which one you guys like. But so far, as far as the sound and the microphone, I really like the Her2Wheels, but it's a short microphone and you will have to get an additional cable because of how short the microphone is. I believe it's about 6 inches, so you have to get an adapter, a microphone extender, a female to male audio jack. So that's what I have inside of the helmet, and I like that because I'm able to kind of specifically fit the cable itself to how I need it. So instead of having a long cable like you get with the Purple Panda, you get a super long cable and you have to throw that stuff inside of your helmet. I like the Her2Wheels microphone because you could customize it. You could get an adapter, the extension, the mic adapter. You could get it 6 inches. You could get it a foot, or you could get it a foot and a half. That way you don't have 10 feet of cable inside your helmet. So it just makes it a little bit easier to kind of tuck away and not have to fight that stuff. So that's why I like it. Anyways, this new microphone is a little bit longer than what I'd like, but we'll see how it performs. So far, I'd say it's about maybe 3 feet too long, but like I said, you could always fit that excess cable into your wire. That way, it doesn't bother you too much. But it just all depends on how you want it. So you guys can make the choice. You guys can let me know in the comments if you guys are you guys happy with your microphone, or what kind of mic are you using. There was a motovlog that I saw, I don't know who it was, but man, I couldn't believe how clear the audio was on his Motovlog setup. I believe he was riding around on a Road Glide Limited, so he has more wind protection. But I'm truly surprised on some of these setups where they don't have a full face helmet like mine, and you don't hear a lot of wind noise or anything like that. So I'm just wondering if they do a lot of post editing, or if it's just the microphone itself. It really is a high quality mic. So I don't know. I'm just gonna keep on trying these new helmets. These new microphones, and then of course I'll leave it in the description. You guys can let me know which one are you using, what brand, and hey, you guys stay out there, stay safe. This should be a quick little motovlog test. You guys let me know in the comments. Later.